depot.
He gonna pick up, headed to Montego Bay to pick up him road dog them.
Push it.
Let it go. Let it go.
Hold on.
No, do it again. You probably forgot to put your park again. Let it go, Pops. Alright, there you go. It's like the van if you don't.
Because to try in a park before.
Ready for the road?
Yes.
They not tap text me. They have Wi-Fi on the plane and it soon cut off. No worry. Them take off just now, so they soon cut off. They not tap text me. I've made the time. You left out yet? You on the way? You make sure you're down there waiting for me. Don't let me come and wait for you.
Because I'm gonna text me like early this morning. I said we got a gym already to make sure to reach.
I'm sure the time say you say now, but you're not gonna get your come. Why would I broke? Lord have mercy. Ready for the road again. Even though y'all see me with the KFC. God. Even though y'all see me with KFC, see this chicken? My auntie's chicken? Still the best. My favorite. This right here. This fried chicken. Where is... Somebody lose ears, sir? Somebody want one night jelly. What are you doing? By now?
Yeah, 10,000.
Only Navia go want to turn and go drink it.
They will buy for no for you.
I'm not buy no come in buy cola. I just get one of them there.
Right.
And chop off you have seen camp boring?
Boring at least, just chop it at enough up.
And I'm saying you have seen camp boring.
It's something you don't know.
Record me just coconut and then a straw. Oh my god, it's so good. It's actually really good. Got one more. Just clean up the coconut.
You see, wash off your heart.
Yes. Aline, give me one big coconut. Have coconut. You remember I tell you say have coconut. I go get soon. I'm patty. Them are patty. Thank you. We probably should get the Oh yeah. And run the road. I me drive the last couple of times when I come here, and I do this. And me drive some no video couldn't take. So we could come back on the road with them.
You have to come back on the road for hours and go to
Okay. Oh yeah, true. Yeah. By the time we reach up this
a dark spot then patrol the one.
Yeah, by the time we reach up this talk of people at 7-8 o'clock, who knows, yeah, true.
And come the bad spot then the dark spot. Run round the road with free.
You're good. Hello. That's a big life. Yeah, little one.
That's how we give you yesterday.
Yeah, we have some.
Yeah, man. Okay.
The baguette, no, they're kind of big. So I want someone to hit the man.
Or 500 this one.
Alright, give me one like this. One, you know, one like that, 500.
That's 500 let me.
This one wants a couple more hit. Try me somewhat better and fix it. In the can look foreign rubber long time. Mom's in a shrimp or night shrimp? No? I don't know that.
Grandmaster.
That'd be nice because you don't have pork and half of you gone.
No, sir, I have nothing yam. Beg you to say napkin mood.
No.
I have nothing.
Thank you.
You don't want it?
No, I want it. You don't say you're going for the bad minute, you put 2 more in it. If you know, middle quarters. On the corner, the middle quarters, what's your name? Peaches. She always have good shrimp. Thank you. Yeah, so we tap all the time.
Alright, thank you.
Alright.
Really?
We'll catch that. Then catch it and sell it. Let's go. Fancy boy. Huh? The gym I walk. They don't want me to see out in that gym. I see the games. Huh? So your hard work will pay off. Keep it up.
6 months.
Oh, okay. Day number 1/2. Day number 2. Yesterday was travel day, so. On Christmas Eve, I think one of the ends of the carry one of the when you go pick up somebody a mobile. Everyone else a mobile and they drive through New Market. I just couldn't remember the name because of the road, the weird area, because of course I was a child, but I just had to go through the bush. Every dance it and top today. I almost did like it and carry back. Pull up the kid in. And I remember because we have to tap in the Alan Bamboo and piss in a bush. I almost feel like it and care about one van. If I actually went back all of them, my kid might drive them out. They're not going away, might drive them out. All the way I'm up here. No friend that fall, everybody just green. The hurricane season's gone. Got some sugar cane. I like sugar cane, so eat that. Coconut water, coconut for Navi, and then sugar cane for Tara. Oh, look at the Jamaica new money. And they blew away because it's all plastic. Look at this. Well, look, that's the old money. It's funny, that's the old 50, this is the new 50. Look at the difference. And that's the old 100. Oh shit. Oh, wait, actually,
500 and 100.
that's the old 100 and this is the new 100. Can't remember what this have to do. But this is Border, St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland. Yeah, big ride? Yeah, we have to. Why? What's the sign here? Here is I feel like it, yes. You get out of traffic. I know we have to divert traffic, they should divert traffic too. Normally they look like not like normal where we're supposed to take.
No, load of it, man, but it go on.
Tonight don't have. It's not the best beach, but if you come, oh look, then clean my face a little bit. Look, it's the ocean, people.
7 feet, that's the gate.
Oh yeah, right over here. thing I just realized. I don't remember if it's a barbecue singer or regular singer. Navi want. Time is it? We have so much time.
Makukunin na the kids yan siya.
You said don't get rid of it.
Get rid of it.
Oh.
Not right.
No, and I treat this like you know how sometimes it does the anyway that the house is dashed down some.
Couple years ago, like, I'll do one of them. You know them vintage pieces of everything?
Yeah. I'm like, where's the camera? I haven't seen the camera. I mean, I left you out the night garden overnight. I'm like, hold up. I know I was recording. Where's the camera? Me walk down in the garden. What's in the garden? The camera. Thank God rain never fall. Yes. Exactly. Oh, I've never been to this. Oh, and I go so far, you can't come back all that way. It's be nice to have special
Tours here.
around this way the hotel and the MOB here. Most of them. At the airport. This is crazy. It's so busy. It's so busy. Can you get off, babe? I'm so sure I got it on me. Hello, hi. I know you too. Damn, you just got
I didn't eat. I
have to show them guys going in on the stuff that I bought. Look, look. See?
Where did he go?
I made sure I stop and got them food and look at them.
Okay. You know I don't like being recorded.
Going in on it. The one up front take too long to come through. If then it ever got through quick enough, it not go right on the two of them. Come get the chicken board. Pop said that's how you always look. Wow. No, you're not because he's giving the same energy.
Exactly. So that's why we have to be nice, you know? And that's why we
You guys, let's take out you guys.
Cha. That's my score, Pops.
that's not in my I
That's what you would want.
Huh? She had some really sexy dresses there. Where is that? Why?
Get it, tone. Tone.
We just turn off. We go to New Market. We're on the way up. All right, Eddie.
29. 29. I don't know. I'm gonna find it. Maybe I have to go back.
Oh, look how bright your light is. I don't even need my own light. Look how bright your light is. Look at that.
There's no music.
Master, my girlfriend.
No, my music somehow is not downloaded on my phone. I swear I downloaded all the music.
I'm talking about the radio.
There is fake radio
Oh, Pops, let me tell you what's really fake baby.
in the bus.
I think the pops for now, but
Oh, it's not fake baby.
I'm not right.
No, and I figured it out, but then
Oh, it's not like that.
okay, go ahead then. Play it out loud.
Alright, great pop. This is the
It looks like it.
Oh, I actually. Oh, it's
This Christmas. Grand Market. Need to go back to the days everybody wants to take bus and taxi. I've never done a case. There was no Tara. The people that turn up in that line say, I got listen to some mommy, the people that are standing in line, what are you talking about? I don't see no smoke. She's saying that's the smoke. Wait for Daddy, I'm so my own. You turn back around? You go back, sir? Where's the chain? We're walking with them. Where's TC Terrence? I'm supposed to record this spot. Share by pork. It's in already yet. wait. Say 20 minutes. When I run go? Huh? I know said today when we talk. Oh, I know. Today when we stop at KFC, I said the pork section. Today when we stop at KFC, it take long because you wait the end. The wings never ready. So wait, you know, for them 20 minutes was like 40 minutes. But aside from that, the line is short, you see. How much? I always got so much pork. Oh, let me tell. Remember last time when we were there and we go around Trelawney and come back? I we top of the pork place and you tell the man say you want the fat. And me say I want the fat. You know say me end up with your fat. Maybe that's you way. What kind of soup? What kind of soup you have then? Manage what and get a cup. They're making an order already? No, the chicks are not ready yet.
How much more plans do you order?
I didn't order anything.